Esports in India. Latest news. The government of India has notified new online gaming rules, introducing a regulatory framework and mandatory registration for esports platforms. Esports in India, concept and growth. Esports refers to competitive video gaming where individuals or teams compete in organized tournaments, often for prize money and professional recognition. It is distinct from casual gaming due to its structured format, professional players, and spectator base. The esports industry in India has witnessed rapid growth over the past decade. With increasing smartphone penetration, affordable internet, and a young population, India has emerged as a key market. The industry is estimated to be worth over $1 to $1.5 billion, with strong growth projections driven by streaming, sponsorships, and tournament ecosystems. India has also seen the rise of professional esports athletes, gaming organizations, and large-scale tournaments. Platforms such as mobile gaming have significantly contributed to this expansion. Types of esports and gaming ecosystem. First, mobile esports dominate the Indian market due to accessibility. Games like Battle Royale and multiplayer strategy formats fall under this category. Second, PC and console esports, which are more prevalent in global tournaments and require higher infrastructure. Third, team-based competitive gaming, where structured leagues and franchises operate. The ecosystem includes players, teams, tournament organizers, streaming platforms, sponsors, and audiences. Revenue streams include advertising, media rights, in-game purchases, and sponsorship deals. Government regulations and policy framework. Esports has been recognized as part of multi-sports events under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, distinguishing it from gambling or betting activities. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act, 2025, forms the basis of the current regulatory framework. It aims to balance innovation with user protection. Key regulatory focus areas include ensuring user safety and preventing addiction, regulating financial transactions in gaming platforms, preventing illegal betting and gambling activities. The government has adopted a light-touch regulatory approach, especially for non-risk gaming categories, to encourage industry growth while maintaining oversight. News summary. The government has notified administrative rules under the Online Gaming Act to regulate the online gaming sector. A key feature is the creation of the Online Gaming Authority of India, OGAI, a 6-member body under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It includes representatives from multiple ministries, ensuring intersectoral oversight. The authority will function as the central regulator and will oversee compliance, safety standards, and grievance redressal mechanisms. Key provisions and compliance requirements. The rules mandate gaming companies to implement operational and behavioral safeguards to protect users from financial and psychological harm. A significant provision is that registration for esports platforms is mandatory, while other online games may not require registration unless identified as high risk. Gaming companies must also establish grievance redressal systems, allowing users to escalate complaints to the regulator if unresolved within a specified time. Banks and financial institutions are required to verify whether gaming platforms are legally permitted before enabling transactions. They must restrict services to non-compliant entities. Approach to regulation and emerging challenges. The government has emphasized a regulation-light approach, allowing most non-risk games to operate freely without mandatory registration. At the same time, provisions have been included to introduce age classification systems and codes of practice in the future to address issues such as gaming addiction. Illegal betting platforms and offshore gaming sites continue to pose challenges. Authorities have acknowledged difficulties in regulating such platforms, especially when accessed through VPNs.